Welcome back. It's Mary with the Paint and Peach, and today we are in a playlist collaboration for Stencil Sunday with my co-host, Funky Junk Inspiration, Christy. We are so happy to come every month and do these Stencil Sundays. Today I'm cutting out these crows from Essential Stencil. There's a pack of the crows, and then there's a smaller crows, but we're going to do two of these bigger ones. And I have a piece of board from Lowe's, and I'm just going to trace them out onto my board and cut them to be some little shelf sitters. I do end up cutting some scrap pieces as I cut some other projects, and I'm going to use those as well. One of my favorite things to do is cut out stencils so that I can use them and create something unique. And here they are, all cut out on my scroll saw. If you'd like to order some of these, just let me know and I can cut you some. I will try to put them in my shop and have them in my description so you can order if you'd like. I'm starting out with like a tan color because I want to color these a little bit darker than that pine when I go to sand them after painting. So I did the tan underneath the black so that I had another color under there. Plus, this pine really soaks up that black, so I wanted to have another base color for that as well. So we're just going to paint these bad boys up in some really dark black, and then we're going to get them all dry, and then we are going to talk about today's playlist. If you look in my description, you can see a tag for Christy and the playlist, and make sure you subscribe to everybody's channels. All right, we're going to get out this beautiful thicket color from Deco Art, and we're going to paint the first chunky board that color. These are my scrap pieces from cutting out my cats the other day, and now I'm doing this one in that same tan color that I put underneath the black. I also used the green on the brown and the brown on the green to give them a little bit of a distressed look. And now I'm getting out an ivory color to do our stencils. We're going to use Primitive as one, and we're also going to use part of another stencil that says Old Time Gatherings, and we're going to use Old Time. That way we can have Old Time Primitive to go with our crows. So I'm using the ivory color, and I'm using a thick stencil type brush. It's not a stencil brush, so it does get a little bit sloppier than usual. But I wanted something stiff brushed, and this is what I found. I didn't want to dig through my brushes, really. I'm making sure to offload my brush so that it's not too thick. And here is the first one. And if you want to know what offloading is, I have plenty of videos, and a lot of these people in this playlist do as well, probably to show you all those techniques. But it's pretty much just putting some paint on your brush, offloading it onto a napkin, wiping off most of it before you start, because a little goes a long way when you stencil. All right, here's the primitive one, and I just love the look of these colors together. They're very, very primitive. I'm giving a little bit more distressing with the green and the brown on each of these, and then we're going to break out our sander and get these all scruffied up because you can't have primitive without distressing. I really hope you enjoy this video today. It's a quickie, but it is a cutie at the same time. This could be out for any time with primitive looks, or it could be out for Halloween. So I hope that you will give it a try. If you have some of these stencils, or heck, just draw out your own crows and cut them, or have me cut them, you know. All right, so here I am scruffing up those crows as well, and we're going to show you the finished project right about now. And here it is. I wrapped a little piece of cheesecloth that I coffee stained around the bottom section just to break up some of that empty space. It would be really cute with some primitive fabric just as much, but I think this turned out adorable. One of my favorite things so far for the Halloween season. I want to talk to you a little bit about my website. Me and my friend Creative Roots Art, Corey, we have our own website where we turn our paintings into printables. We have lots of designers who you can get that 10% code and get 10% off anything in our store. We also have memberships where you can join our community, have some classes, free prints, and all that good stuff. There are 3 different tiers for that. So go check that out. And also in our shop, you will find lots of printables of our paintings. And we do bundles. Sometimes we put single prints. Sometimes, if you're a member, you get free prints. And that is that. So please go check out my Ko-fi shop, mine and my friend Corey over there. And we are really excited to be able to bring our art into your art in a cheaper way. We also sell our originals too. Thanks to my host, Christy. Thank you for watching and stay peachy.